So next up, guys, there's gonna get a video. This is a 1997 MACK CH613 day cab. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360-degree view. We do already have it running. The batteries are just a little low, so we need to give it a jump. But it does start up. Yeah, it was even cold outside and it started. Has a good Mack diesel motor. It would be a Mack 13-speed manual transmission, I believe. We'll have all that listing updated with the listing for sure, though. The front rims are aluminum, rear rims are steel. Sliding fifth wheel, wet kit, headache rack. Coming from a local construction company, air ride suspension. They did tell me that the odometer is incorrect, so I think it's showing like 45,000 miles or so, somewhere right in there. That was changed out. The main mechanic told me that it should have 600 to 650,000 miles. It's showing right over 20,000 hours. That would be accurate, but the miles are not accurate that it's showing on that. So I think 600 to 650,000 on the miles. He said if he found the paperwork, we could update the listing with that, or he'd send any paperwork he had with it with the truck. So local company, would have kept it fleet maintained. But I'm here with Garrett. He'll give you a nice demo. We sell a lot of their equipment, guys. They do a good job. Everything would have been serviced and done as needed. It's got the chrome bumper. They drove it in here too from 30 minutes away. All the tires look pretty good. It's got a 3/4 tank full of fuel, so. So there's the demo, guys. 1997 MACK CH613, just quick forward reverse. Listen to it run a little bit, but I think a pretty good honest truck for its age. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.